Today we are discussing RRB Office Scale 1 Presence Quantitative Aptitude Grand Test 56. We'll move for the questions. Here, what is the first question here? They are given a first question belongs to pie chart. The pie chart is here. The what is the data 41 to 45? We have a directions based on the pie chart. Percentage distribution imply like 5 different IPL teams of HCL company. So employee members are distributed for HCL company and also distributed for IBM company. Here IBM and HCL we have a so two companies, HCL is 5 parts means IBM is 3 parts based on the number of employees. The percentage distribution of employee like 5 different IPL teams is same for the both companies. Both companies we have to distribute the percentage. Totally it is a equal here. Look for the question directly. So here what was the question they mentioned? This is the question they mentioned. So 41 if different between two like RR from IBM and students like SR from HCL is 15. So we need RR IBM. RR IBM. RR is 15 percentage. 15 percentage of 3 parts. IBM is how many parts? 3 parts. Then next here SRH from HCL. SRH is how much percentage? 10 percentage. 10 percentage of 5. 50 minus 45 which is equal to 5 percentage. 5 percentage is equal to how many number of less? 15 members less. 5 percentage is equal to 15. Now we need find total number of employee like MI and RCB from both companies. MI is 25 percentage, RCB is 22 percentage. Total is how much percentage? 47 percentage. But we need two companies total value is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 parts. This is the value is required. 5 to 15 how many times multiplied? 3 times. Here also we should multiply how many times? 3 times here. So first of all multiply here 8 7 are 56 and 5 and 8 4 are 32 it is equal to 376. 376 is multiplied to 3. Here 3 in 100 to 3 is equal 900 and 7 3s are 210. 210 plus 900 is 110. So 110 is extra added to 18. It is become a 1128. Total employees from the two companies for the two categories of MI and RCB is equal to 1128. Our option is here E. Option E here. And move for the next question. Question number 42. If ratio between males to females from both the companies, who like CSK is 4:3 here. So 4:3 means it is a females is 3 parts and males is 4 parts. Females is 3 parts. 3 by 7 we are writing. So number of females like CSK from HCL. CSK from HCL. CSK is how much percentage here? 28 percentage. 28 percentage. 3 by 7 of is 28 percentage. HCLR 72 more than the number of females like CSK from IBM. Here is also CSK. Here the CSK is 28 percentage. Here the CSK is also 28 percentage. And HCL and it is what? IBM. HCL to IBM is how many parts? 5 minus 3. It is a difference which is equal to how many members? 72 members. What is the question they are asking? Find total number of males. Find total number of males. Total is 7 parts. In this males is how many parts? 4 by 7. Then find total number of males like CSK from both companies. CSK percentage is same 28 percentage of both companies. Both companies means how many parts? 8 parts. So this is we have to calculate. So here the value is 28 28 common and 7 7 common. Here the 7 7 common 28 28 common. Here 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Then it is a 2. 2 3 is equal to 6 parts. It is overall is how many parts? 6 parts. And 4 8 is equal to how many parts here? 32 parts. 6 parts is equal to 72. 32 parts is equal to how much? 6 to 72 how many times? 12 times. Here is also multiply with 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 36 which is equal to how much members? 384 members. Our option is what? A here. Move for the next question. Here the next question here. Find the ratio between total number of employees like CSK, RCB and MI from HCL. CSK, RCB and MI. CSK, RCB 28 plus 22 50. MI 75 overall. 75 percentage of HCL. HCL company is how many parts of employees? 5 parts. 2. Number of employees like MI, RR, SRH. MI, RR, SRH. So 25 plus 15 40, 40 plus 10 50. 50 percentage of IBM. IBM is how much? This is the value. We should calculate the values. 25 threes are 25 twos are, and 3 will be cancelled. Then final ratio is, what is the ratio? 5 is to 2. Our option is what? D here. Next, if total number of employees like MI from the both the companies are 600, find total number of employees in both the company. So look at MI 25%. 25% is equal to 600, and I need 100%. 100% value is what? 25 to 100 4 times. Here is also multiplied to 4 times. Total employees is how many members? 2400. So our option is here 2400, option E. Next, the total number of the employees like MI and RCB. Total number of employees like MI and RCB from HCL is MI and RCB. 25 plus 22, 47% of 5, which is approximate what percentage more or less than more than total number of the employees like CSK MI from IBM. CSK IBM. CSK is value is 28. IBM is, so CSK and MI is 25. 25 plus 28, which is 53%, is 53% of 3. This is the second value. This is the first value. 47 into 5. 5 7 are 35. 5 4 are 20. It is equal to 235. And 53 into 3, which is equal to 159. It is a more or less. Of course, it is a clearly we can say it is a more. 235 by 159. It is a difference is we can write. So 159, how much we can add? 41 we are adding, make the 200. Then 41 plus 35, which is equal to 76. 76 by 159 into 100. We need approximate percentage. How much percentage we'll get it here? So here approximately we can calculate. In 159, which is cancelled with 50, 3s are 50, 2s are, and 3, how many times? 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6, remaining value is, so 16, and 3 5s are 25. 2s are means 50%. That means very near to the 50%, which is option is there. That is our answer. Then our answer is what? 48%. Next, we have a directions 46 to 50. So what will come in a place of question mark in the following number series? For the number series, we have a logic here. So first question is 46. Look for the logic. Here the 10 became a 6 means it is a multiplied by 0.5 and added 1. And here the multiplied with 0.5, 1.5, 1.5 and added extra 3. And 12 became a 36 means here is also multiplied with here 2.5 and 30 added extra 6. And here is a multiplied by here 3.5 and added extra 10. Now it is a final value is 136 is what is the number is multiplied and what is the number is added. That is our logic. 1 2 became a 3 is 2 and 3 became a 6 means 3 added, 6 became a 10 means 4 added, 10 became a extra 5 added, now it is become a 15 and into 3.5 and multiplied with next time is into, here the into 3.5, here the into 4.5. Now 136 into 4.5 plus 15. So 136 into 4.5, it is half of the value, it is make the double, and here make the 68. 68 9 ja, here 9 8 ja 72 and 7 9 6 ja, here the 54, which is equal to 612. 612 added to 15 will get a final answer is 627. Then we'll move for the next question. Question number 47. So we have a logic like it is a 6, 6, 8 and 11 and 14.5. Writing a question here 6 and 6 and 8 and 11 and 14.5. What is the next value? 6 become a 6 means here the into 0.5 is multiplied, it's become a 3, extra 3 added. And here the multiplied with 0.5 and extra added by 5. And here the multiplied by 0.5, here the 8 of value is what here? 4. 4 become a, so 11, it is a what is the number added? 7 added. And here again it is a multiplied by 0.5, it is a 5.5. 5.5 added become a 14.5 means what is the number added? 9. And next here is also multiplied by 0.5 and added by extra 11. So 14.5 of value, 14.5 of value 7.25. The 7.25 added extra 11, which is equal to 18.25. So our option is C here. Next question 82, 107, 207, 432, 832. Take a differences here. 82 became a 107, it is a 25. So next, here 107 became a 207, it is a 100 difference. And 207 became a 432, here the difference is 225. And 432 becoming 832, here the difference is 400. And now look, take the differences, here the 75, and here the difference is 125, and here the difference is 175, and here the difference is 50, here the difference is 50, and here the difference also 50. 175 plus 50, it is a 225. 225 added to here, it is a 625. 625 added to 832, then that is our final answer. So 832 plus 625, so 8 plus 6, it is a 14 and 57. So 32 plus 25, 57. Final answer is what? 1457. Option A. Next, 7, 11, 35, 67 and 209 question mark. So look at the logic here. Into 2, 7 2s are 14 minus 3. So 14 minus 3 became a what? 11. And 11 is multiplied with 3. 11 into 3 value is 33. 33 plus 2. Then our number became a 35. Again, it is a 35 into 2 and minus 3. 35 2 is a 70. 70 minus 3, 67. And here, same logic we can apply. Now it is multiplied with into 3 and added by 2 extra. So 67 ja, 63 ja value is 180, 73 ja is 21, it is a 201 plus 2, it is a 203. Now what we can do? Into 2 minus 3. 203 into 2 value is 406. 406 minus 3 is equal to 403. Then our option is what? B here. Next, 2, 8, 26 question mark 242. Here what is the number is multiplied. Look at 2 become a 8 means multiplied with 3 plus 2. 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 2 8. And here is what is the number we can multiply. 8 3s are 24. So 8 3s are 24 plus 2. Here check the same logic. Then into 3 plus 2. Look at 26 into 3. 25 into 3 75. Then 26 into 3 is 78. 78 plus 2 value is 8. Then again it is multiplied with 3. 83 is 240 plus 2. It is our number is clear. Then next number of this series is 80. Option number B. Next, we have a questions. In what ratio must sugar at 64 rupees per kg be mixed with sugar 72 rupees per kg so that mixture worth be 65.5? This is a mixture and allegation wise we can do 65, and next one is 72, and next one is 65.5, and take a differences here. So 64 became a 65.5, it is become a 1.5 extra, and 65.5 became a 70 means we have to add 4.5 and extra 6.5, and both are cancelled, will get an answer 5 13s and 5 3s. Then final ratio is what is the ratio? 13 is to 3 here. Question number is 52. The area of the square is 256 centimeter square. Then side is required, it is equal to 16. The perimeter of rectangle which length is 2 times the perimeter of rectangle means 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 112, and L value is 32 because it is the double of the side, and we have to write breadth value 2 to 112, it is a 56. 50 from the 56, 32 will be removed, it will get a what is the value? 24. And now we'll get a find the volume of the conical vessel which height is equal to breadth. Here is they are mentioned a height, and next they are mentioned 12.5 percentage of rectangle. Here radius we required, the radius is how much? 1 by 8 is less. 1 by 8 is less means remaining value is 7 by 8. 8 parts is equal 32 means then 7 parts is equal 28. 8 parts is the length value, and 1 by 8 is removed means 7 parts is left, the 7 parts is equal 28. Then 1 by 3 pi r square h is the formula for the conical vessel volume. 1 by 3 and 22 by 7 into here r square. R value is what? Here the 28 into 28 into height. Height value is what? 24. We should multiply to getting an answer. 3 how many times here? So 3 8 ja and 7 4 ja. We'll go for the first of all check the unit digits. So 2 4 ja 8. 8 8 8. This 2 4 ja 8 and 8 into 8. So 8 cube value is 512. Last digit is 2. Only one option is contained. Last digit is 2. Then our answer is what? 19712. Then move for the next question. Here a bike is listed 40,000 with a discount of 25%. What additional discount must be offered to the customer bring net profit net price to 25,000 rupees. So 40,000 in this with a discount of 25 percentage. So 40,000 25 percentage discount means it is nothing but here the 1 by 10,000 will be gone. 10,000 will be gone means remaining is what, 30,000. So 30,000 become a 25,000. 30,000 become a 25,000 means how much rupees discounted is given. So 5,000 is discounted is given. 5,000 is second time discounted is given on which rupees? So 30,000. 5,000 by 30,000 is equal to 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into 100 is equal to how much percentage? 16.66 percentage, which is equal to 16.67 percentage here. Next, Prashant and Shubham Mamta entered into a partnership with the investment of A plus 80,000, A minus 40,000. First person is A and second person is A plus 80,000 and third person is A minus 40,000. And after 1 year, Kajal joined with the investment of A plus 1,20,000. And after 1 more year, Prashant added 10,000 rupees. That means till now he completed 2 years. Then now it is extra added by 10,000, A plus 10,000. And next, till now it is a 2 years completed for the Shubham also. Now extra while Shubham withdraw 30,000. So A plus 50,000 now his investment become. And next, A minus 40,000 at end of the year, Mamta is not changes. That means her investment is becoming 3 years, up to waiting for 3 years. And Kajal investment is waiting for how many years? 2 years. So we should calculate only Mamta value is given. So Mamta value is how many? 72,000 out of 7,32,000. Then 3 zeros cancel. And Mamta value we can write A minus 40,000 into 3 by all the values we can add it. A's all are added. 2A plus A, 3A plus A, 4A plus 2A, 6A plus A, 9A plus 2A, it is 11A. And next, here, then 10,000 plus 50,000, 60,000, 60,000 plus 1,60,000, which is 2,20,000. From 2,20,000, 40,000 into 3 is 1,20,000 is removing, next value is 1 lakh. And 1,20,000 into 2,40,000. 2,40,000 added to 1 lakh, which is equal to 3,40,000. So when you are solving this, we'll get a final answer is A. Just try to cancel the values to getting an answer. So here 4, which is cancelled with 3. Here 3, how many times? 3 24s are again 24 and 732 will be try to cancel it. Cancel with what is the number? So 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Remaining value is what? 13. 3 4s are and 3 4s are and 3 how many times? 8 ja. And 8 and 244 again cancel with 4. 4 6 and 4 1s are and 4 2s are. And 2 will be multiplying here, 61 will be multiplying here, you will get such a value. If you are solving this overall value also, you will get A is equal to 80,000 is our answer here. And move for the next question. Present ages of Prashant is 40% less than the Shubham. So present age of the Prashant and Shubham 40% less. He is 100%, he is a 60%. 23 is a 25 is. It is a ratio is what is the ratio? 3:5. And the sum of the ages of Vikas and Prashant 6 years hence will be. So particularly they are given Vikas plus Prashant 6 years hence will be 80 years. 6 years before it is becoming 68 years because 12 years we are going to removing. While the sum of the ages of Vikas plus Shubham, which is 16 years hence. 16 years means how many years we are removing? 2% purpose. 32 value we can remove it. So 20 removing 100, extra 12 removing, which is equal to 88. Okay. Find the sum of the ages of Prashant, Shubham and Vikas after the 4 years. Look at the solve the values here. So removing the values. What was the value? You will get P minus S. P minus S is equal to, you will get minus 20. Then S minus P you can write, it is a plus 20 you will get. So Suresh and Prashant difference is, so Shubham and Prashant difference is 20. 3 to 5 difference is how many parts? 2 parts. 2 parts is equal to 20 and 5 parts is equal to 50 and 3 parts is equal to 30. And Prashant age is 30, Shubham age is 50 and Prashant age is substituted here, you will get here the V age, Vikas age also. Then 30 will be removing from the 68, you will get 38. And here the 50 will be removed, here is also you will get 38. Now you know the all the person's age. So 50 plus 30, 80. 80 plus 38, which is equal to 118. Sum of the present 3 persons age is 118. But we need how many years after? 4 years after. 4 years after means 4 threes are 12. Because 4 years after means 3 persons are there. We are increasing 12 years. 118 plus 12 years, which is equal to how many years? 130 years. And move for the next question. Question number 56. 12 and a half into 12 and a half, we can write 25 by 2 into, we can write 100 by 3 plus 25 by 4 into 50 by 3, and add the values here. So 2 2s are 2 25s are, and denominator we are making equal. 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 25 into 100, 25 100, and 25 25 is 625, 625 plus 2500, which is equal to 3125 by 6, and 6 5s are 30, and next to 12, 6 2s are, and remaining value is 5 by 6. That means our answer is 525 by 6. Our option is A. Next question number is 57. 530 by 299, which is a mixed fraction. We can write 500 into 299 plus 30 by 299 into 299 minus 149550 and root x minus 30. This is our question. Here the 299 cancel, it is become a 30, and here we can write 300 minus 1. 500 into 300, it is a 1,50,000. From 1,50,000, 500 will be removed, 1,49,500, and so value will be get, and plus 30 minus 1,49,550, which is equal to root x minus 30. Minus 30 it comes, it is a plus 30, plus 30 it is a plus 60, it is a 60, and here to here difference is 1,49,500, 1,49,550, difference is 50. In between minus is there, which is equal to root x, and 60 minus 50 10, root x is equal 10 means x is equal what is answer? So 10 square answer is what? 100. Question number 58. 212 square minus 98 square and 222 square minus 108 square minus x. We have to apply x square minus y square formula, or a square minus b square. A square minus b square, we can write a plus b into a minus b. 212, this 2 will be added to extra 8. It is a 98 plus 2, it is a 100. 100 plus 210, it is a 310. Into 212 minus 98, then it is become a 14. 21 or 114. Yes, so 212 to 98 gap is 114. And next here 222 plus 108, then this 2 added to here, which the otherwise this 8 added to here, it is a 230. 230 plus 100, it is a 330, and into difference is how much? Difference is here 108 is removing from the 222, will get 114 and minus x, and look at 3110 and 114, 330 and 114, the x will be coming here, this 114 common, then from 310 330 will be removed, you will get 20 into 114. Our answer is 2280. X is equal to, what was the answer here? 2280, option E here. Next question. Question number 59. 2020 plus, here we have a one bar is there, it's missed. 2020 plus 1 by 8, 212 minus 124 minus 12 minus 148 minus 92. So we have to apply this bar, 148 minus 92. First of all, we have to, inside of the bar, what was the values are there? 148 minus 92. Then it is 8 added, it is a 148 minus 92, value is what? 56. Here the minus, as it is we are writing. So here and next 124 minus 12, so 112 and minus 212, and out of value is, we can write 1 by 8 plus 2020. This is our question. So from 212, 212 will 112 removing, we will get 100. From 100, 56 will be removed. So from 100, 56 will be removed. What was the value will get? 44. And 5, 8 5s are 40. Remaining value is 4 and 8 5s are. Then 5.5 added to 2020, which is equal to, our answer is what? 2025.5. And move for the next question. Question number 60. 333 by x plus 11960 by 400 and plus 8, which is equal to 49. And here 0 cancel, 1 0 will be left here, cancel with 4, 4 10s are, and 4 2s are 8, and 4 9s are 36, and 4 9s are 36 here. So and 8 will be removing from the 49, the result is 41. From 49 41, so 299 by 10, 299 by 10 means which is equal to here, so 41 minus 29.9, this is the value. 41 minus 29.9, the 30 remove it from the 41, you will get 11, but here the value is 10.1. The 10.1 added to here, 1.1 added, it is become a 1 will be added here, it is a 30 plus 40, so it is belongs to not 10.1, it is a 11.1. Here triple 3 by x, triple 1 2, triple 1 2, so triple 3 3 times, one decimal is generating 0, then finally x is equal to what is the value is get 30. Our option is what? E here. Next, length and breadth of a rectangle, we have a question. So length of a rectangle in the ratio 4:3. If radius of two circles is equal to length of rectangle, this is a rectangle and this is a diagonal, and here the length, and here 3, and diagonal is becoming 5, it is a triplet 3 4 5, and other is equal to diagonal of rectangle, the difference between areas is 441 pi, so centimeter square. Here is we can take 4x, here the 3x, it is a 5x, and look at there are two circles are there. Length of a rectangle is what here 4x, and diagonal is rectangle is what here the 5x. These are the behave like a radius, here the 5x square pi r square. First circle area is pi r square, minus second circle also pi 4x square, which is equal to 441 pi, and here the pi will be cancelled. Without confuse, we can cancel the values. 5x square value is 25, x square, 4x square value is 16, 25 minus 16 is equal to 9x square, which is equal to 441. Root of 441 is equal to 21, root of 9 is equal to 3, then finally x value you will get what is the value? 7. 21 by 3 is equal to 7 you will get. Now find the perimeter of rectangle. Find the perimeter of rectangle means it is a 28, and it is equal to 21. 21 plus 28, which is equal to 49. 49 double is our perimeter. 49 double value is what? 98 centimeter. Next, in a lion safari, a lion saw a jeep 800-meter away, and lion realized after the 6 seconds. The lion realized after how many seconds? 6 seconds. That is tourist jeep which running at the speed of how many kilometer per hour? 54 kilometer per hour. 54 kilometer per hour it's going on. So that means, so in 800 meters, from 800 meters 54 kilometer per hour in how many seconds? So 6 seconds. So 54 into 6 into, we are applying 5 by 18. Now 18 how many times? 3s are 5 6 are 30, 30 3s are 90, 800 minus, so 90, the remaining value is how many meters way? 17 meters. Then 6 seconds after it is going to the speed of the 54 kilometer means 50 from total distance. What was the 6 seconds running journey is there? That's we have to remove it. The 6 seconds running journey of the jeep is, so 90 meters. The 90 meters removing from the 800 meters, it is becoming 17 meters. If lion start running away with the speed of 90 kilometer per hour, if lion start with away with the speed of 90 kilometer per hour, so now it is a 90 kilometer per hour. After 10 seconds, after 10 seconds, when lion start running, jeep driver start chasing lion with the speed of how many kilometer per hour? 126 kilometer per hour. Find the total time taken. Jeep driver will catch the lion here. So here then 90 to 54. Now it is jeep running is 54, lion running is 90. 90 minus 54, how much kmph? 34 kmph. 34 kilometer per hour. This journey is how many seconds? It's the first 10 seconds. Then after 10 seconds, start running jeep driver. So 34 into 10, and here then 10. It is also, we can write 36. So this is, yes, 5 by 18. 18 2 and 10 5, it is a how many meters removed? 10 meters will be removed. Now till now it is a 17 meters. Now this 100 meters are extra added. Then the is whatever the 710 meters is gypsy maintaining from the lion. Lion again it's a step away from the jeep. It is running too fast. That means the whatever the distance they are maintaining from the jeep, it is increased by extra how many meters now? 100 meters. Now finally how many meters? 810 meters now. 100 minus 90, it is a 710. 710 plus extra. Now it is lion realized now. It is running in the same direction to the jeep. Now it is the speed was extra increased. That's why it is become a 100 meters running away. Running 100 meters extra covered. 100 plus 710, it is a 810. Now it is 810 distance. The jeep and the lion. The lion speed is 90 kilometer per hour. Now it is jeep also realized. Yes, it is the lion is going too fast. I have to increase my speed. Now the jeep C speed is 126 kilometer per hour. 126 to 90 difference is how many kilometer per hour? 36 kilometer per hour. And kilometer per hour, this is converted into meter per second. We should multiply with 5 by 18. 18 2s are 2 5s are 10. It is a 0 cancel. It is how many seconds? 81 seconds. This the total story is wise. How many seconds are required? The lion captured by the gypsy. Then how many seconds? So first how many seconds? 6 seconds. Next time how many seconds? 10 seconds. Final journey is how many seconds? 81 seconds. Then total the 6 plus 10 plus 81 total is how many seconds? 91 seconds journey totally. The lion catched by gypsy. Overall how many seconds here? Option is 97 seconds. Option E. Next, present age of the father is the present age of the father is so 6 years more than the sum of the daughter plus son is how many years more? 6 years more. This is a one relation they are mentioned. And next they are mentioned. So ratio between the present ages of son and daughter is 4 is to 3. Present son is 4 is to 3. That is we can write 4x by 3x. Okay. This is for son and this is for daughter. And the ratio between daughter age 4 years hence and son age 9 years hence it is 3 by 2. That son we are writing upper value, then 3 by 2. We have to cross multiply here. So 2 4s are here the 8x, then 3 3s are 9x, 9x to x, it is the x value, and here 2 9s are 18, 4 3s are 12, it is what? 6. X is equal to value is 6. Now we have to substitute 6 here. Then son age value you will get 24 and daughter age value you will get 18. What is the question they are asking? Then father age is more than the son and daughter. How many years? 6 years. 6 plus 24 30. 30 plus 18. Then father age is becoming how many years? 48. What is the final question? Find the ratio between age of father 2 years hence. Father 2 years hence means 50 and son age is 4 years ago means it is a 20. And 0 0 cancel, then final ratio is 5 is to 2. Our option is what? E here. Next, 3 classes. So 9th and 10th and here 12th. Take a math quiz. The average score of the students. So first 9th class is 166. The average score of the students 10th class is 152. The average score of the here the 12th is 170. Okay, the average score of class is x and x. These two persons is how much? These two classes is 158, and the average score of the class of x and x11 12 it is value is 162. Okay, so now look at it is a very easy to calculate. It is applying the mixture and allegation to getting a so number of persons wise. How many number of persons are there? Then how to calculate average? So without knowing the number of persons you can't calculate average. For the knowing the person's purpose compulsory you have to maintain the this ratio. When you're calculating with average values you will get a number of people. Look at 166 to 158 difference is how much? So 8. How much difference? 8 is the difference. 160 to 170 also difference is how much? 8. And look at 158 to 152 difference is how much? 6. And 150 to 162 difference is 10. Then 6 is to 8 is to 10. This is the 9th class, this is the 10th class, this is what? 12th class. 9th class persons 6 persons and 10th class 8 persons and 12th class 10 persons. Here also cancel, this is cancel with 2, it is 4 and it is 5. And finally 3 members, 4 members, 5 members. This is we are going to cancel the values. Here 3 into 166. 3 into 166. Here the class contain 3 members. Then their average score is 166. Total score is for the first class is 166 into 3. And next here as it is 152 into 4. Here 4 into 152 plus 5 into 170 by, we should add it all the values. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 5, 12 here. So cancel the values if possible, then find out the answers for it is here. Cancel with what is the number? 2. 2 cancel, either directly multiply 3 into 166, 16 3s are 480, 6 3s are 18, it is a 498, plus 4 into 150 which is 600, so 4 to the 8, it is a 608, plus 5 into 170, it is a 850 by 12, and all are added. Look at here, so 400 and 600, 1000 plus 80 which is a 1800, it is a 1800. Till now the 8 is extra is here, from this 8 2 is added here, 98 plus 200, 100 plus 50, 150, 156, so it is becoming 1956 by what is the value? 12. Now cross cancel it. 12 ones are 12, remaining value is 75, 12 6 are 72, and 12 3s are, then finally their average score is becoming what is the value? 163. Option is what? B here. Next, 65th question. If the rate of interest for the first year is 2%, for the second year is 4%, then find the compound interest and a principal of 5,000 rupees. For the 5,000 rupees, 2% interest, 1% is 10% interest means 500, 1% interest means 50, then 2% interest is what? 100. This is for first year. And coming to the second year we have to take the year, this is for first year, and second year we have to calculate. For the 5,000 we have to calculate for how much percentage? 4%. 4 5s are 200, and also calculate here the 4. Then overall value is what? 200 plus 100 plus 4. It is our answer is what? 304. Option A. Next, we have a quadratic equations. So 67, 66 to 70. We have to solve the answers for it is. Look at here. X square minus 6x plus 5. Here we have to write the factors for 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Here the minus 6 and minus 5 and minus 1. Finally it is becoming minus 6. By final factors are becoming 5 comma 1. Minus plus is always giving plus. Then 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12 means we can write 4 3s are also 12. We can write 4 comma 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 4 3s are 12. Now divide with 3. Then final factors are, what was the final factors here? So 4 by 3 comma 1. So try to compare it here. So 1 1 equal and 1 4 by 3. Here the 4 by 3 is bigger, and 5 4 by 3, 5 is bigger. 1 less than 1 greater than means the relation is what? Cannot be determined. The relation is cannot be established. It is belongs to E. E is belongs to here is E only. Then option E here. Next, 7x square plus 16x plus 4. Here 7 4s are 28, and 14 2s are also 28. 14 plus 2 is 16, and here the minus minus and divide with 7. Then final factors are minus 2 comma minus 2 by 7, and here the 14. 14 you can write, so 7 2s are 14, you can write what was the factors? Minus 7 comma minus 2 directly. Compare the values here. Minus 2 equal minus 2 to minus 7. Minus 2 is bigger. Minus 2 by 7 and minus 7. Here the minus 2 by 7 is bigger. Here the bigger. Then x greater than or equal to y. X greater than or equal to y means then which is the option here? So for the previous question we can take a direction. X greater than or equal to y means that is a B. B option is correct for us. And next, here next one, 6x square plus 19x plus 13 is equal 0. Here 6 13s are here, so 78. We can write directly 13 and 6, it is a minus minus and divide with 6. And final factors here, so 13 by 6 comma 1. And next 40 we can write and 30. 40 we can separate it. What was the numbers? 8 comma 5. It is a minus, it is a minus. So it is also minus and minus. And comparing the values here, so minus 1 minus 5, minus 1 is bigger, minus 1 minus 8, minus 1 is bigger, then here is also bigger, here is also bigger. Then we can write x greater than y. Then what was option here? X greater than y means we have a first option here, then A. and move for the next question. X square minus 14x plus 40 is equal 0. Here what was the values? 40. 40 you can write the factors minus 14. So minus 14, 8 5s are, it is not possible, and 10 4s are, 10 comma 4. So final factors are 10 comma 4. Here the 32, 8 comma 4. Now comparing the relation here. So comparing to 10, 8 is a smaller. Here the 4 is a smaller. 4 4 equal and 4 8 less. Then 1 less than 1 greater than means our relation is cannot be established. Our option is what? E here. Next, x square minus 169, x is equal to plus 13 comma minus 13, and y is equal to 13. 13 13 equal, and here is less. X less than or equal to y. Here the relation is x less than or equal to y here. Next, we have a data for the calculation purpose. So we have to analyze the data and find the answer. Look at the data is belongs to table wise. Total number of candidates, percent of boys out of total candidates are given. So what is the value is given? Percentage of boys value is given. This is the percentage of boys. 60 percentage of DPS 600. This is the total candidate 600. In 600, 60% is boys means 40% is girls. And 350, 30% is boys means remaining 70% is girls. And 550, 40% is boys means remaining 60% is girls here. So then based on this we have to calculate. Look for the directly we'll move for the question. Average number of candidates from schools DAV and DPS. School DAV and DPS. So for average number of candidates, directly we'll go 600 and 350, which is 600 and 350. It is 950. So together to participate by 2. Average means by 2. And approximately what percentage of the average number of candidates from schools KVS and SD Modern. So KVS and SD Modern, 550 plus 375, 550 plus 300, 850, 850 plus 50, 900 is a 925. So it is 925 by 2 into 100. Why we are writing by 2? Average purpose. And cancel the numbers here. 2 cancel. And comparing to 925, 950 is bigger. How much bigger? Just 25 is bigger. Then 925 to 925, 100% is. But extra 25 is there. It is giving the compulsory more percentage. 100% till now it is a clear. 100% plus extra percentage. How much percentage extra? You take here the 1% is 9 point. But take 2%, 18 point. That means near to we are 25. That means look at the options 111, 102, 106, 107 means which is a suitable option. 1 or 2% is our perfect answer for this question. Next one. Question number 72. Find the ratio of the boy candidates from Gaud Senior Sikandar and Senior Sikandrabad and SD Modern schools. So we need here SR Sikandrabad and we need SD Modern School. We need particularly boy candidate. Here is 65%. 65% of 800 plus, and SD Modern 60% of 375. Ratio 2. Here together participate in the game to girl candidate from the Shantiniketan. Girl candidates from the Shantiniketan. Shantiniketan girl candidate means 50% of 450 value 225. Plus here KVS school we can write 40% is the boys and 60% is required. 60% is a 550 value 330. So 6 5 is 6 5 it is a 330. Which are going to cancel the values. Here 5 13s are 5 12s are, and here the value is 5 4s are and 5 5s are and 5 6 are and 5 6 are. So no need to cancel again. Just cancel the calculated values. 13 8 and percentage 2 zeros cancel. It is a 104 plus 12 into 375 we can write it. So instead of that, and we can apply the percentage wise 2 decimals. 3.75 now. 3.75 double it is a 7.5. It is a 6, and 7.5 double it is a 15. It is a 3. 15 3 is a 45. So 45 plus 66. 60 plus 40 is a 100. 5 plus 6 it is 11. 111. 104 plus 45 it is a 149. 149 and 111 our option is what? C here. Next, boy candidates from DPS school to participate in games are. So boy candidate we require DPS school. DPS school is here. So 60% is 6 6 value is 360. 360 is what percentage more or less than the girl candidate from the KVS school? Girl candidate from the KVS school. So 60% is girl candidate. It is a 330. That means 30 value is more by 330. We need percentage multiply with 100. 30 to 11 times. 100 by 11 means approximately how many times? 11 to 100, 9 times. 9%. Then option C. Next, here total number of girl candidates from Dev and Shantiniketan. We need the total number of girls to participate in games are how much percentage more or less. Then total number of girls candidates from Dev and Shantiniketan. So Dev value is 350, 30% is boys, and we need girls. Girls is 70 percentage. It is how much percentage? 70. 70 percentage of 0. 0, 0 cancel. 7 into 35. 7 5 are 35. 7 3 are 21. It is a 245. And next Shantiniketan also we require 50 percentage. It is a 225. It is 225. Finally it is become a 470. So our games are how much percentage more or less than the total number of boy candidate from so district Shantiniketan. So Shantiniketan boys are required. Here is so 50 percentage means it is also 225. And next KVS together. KVS is how much percentage? 40 percentage. 4 5 it is a 220. It is equal to 445. 470 is more than the 470 is more than the it is a more now. It is a 470 is more than the 445. How much more? 25. 25 more by 445 into 100. Look the options. We have a decimal values also there. So cancel the values. 5 8 ja and 5 9 ja and 5 5 ja, and it is equal to 500 by 89. So 89 to 500 how many times? Nearly it is a 5 times. It is a, will get 495. Extra you will get 5. When you are applying the one decimal, you will get almost you will get 5.6 percentage. How much percentage you will get? 5.6 percentage. Our option is what? A here. Next, find the difference between total number of boy candidates from DPS, Dev and KVS together. Boys candidates required. So DPS, so 60 percentage, 6 6 360 plus Dev. Here the 30 percentage 105, 30 percentage of 350, and KVS value 40 percentage of 450, which is 220. 455 is 220. This is the difference to together to participate in games and total number of girl candidates from the Shantiniketan. Shantiniketan girls value 225. 225. And next here Gouts in Secunderabad here. Yes. So we need girls candidate. This is a 35 percentage. Girls is 35 percentage of 800. Then percentage wise 2 zeros cancel. 8 into 35. 8 into 35 means 4 into 70. 4 into 70 is equal to value is 280. Plus SD modern. SD modern is how much percentage? Girls is we need 40 percentage. Same here 3.75 is 40 percentage now. So here 37.5 into 4 times 40 percentage means 40 by 100. So here 0 0 cancel, 1 0 will be take the decimal. 37.5 into 4, 37.5 double is 75, 75 double value is 150. So this is we have to consider and take the differences. Look at here 220 220 cancel, extra 5, the 5 also cancel. Here the value is 100. 360 plus 100 which is equal to 460 minus 200 plus 100, so 308 plus 50 which is equal to 130, so 430. 460 minus 430 difference is how much? 30 here. Option C. So we have a quantity based questions now. Direction 76 to 80. So which is a quantity is bigger and which is a quantity smaller, that's we have to decide it. Look at here. So quantity 1 first. 20 men and 36 women can do a piece of work in 40 days. In how many days 12 men can do the same work in the work? If the efficiency of 2 men is equal to efficiency of 3 women, 2 men is equal to 3 women means then 36 women is equal to 24 men. 3 is to 2. Then here is also 12 3 is a 12 2 are 24 men and 20 men, it is a 44 men. 44 men complete a work in 40 days. So 12 men complete a work in how many days? This is the first quantity, and 4 3s are 4 10s are 3 will be cancelled to 44 into 10 440. So 440 by 3 will get approximate, okay, exactly we'll get 440 by 3. So later coming to here, 10 men and 15 women, 20 boy can do a piece of work in 60 days. How many days? 60 days. Particularly they are given RR. So 60 days. In how many days? So we need 2 men and 2 men required. 2 men means already how many men given? 10. And we need 3 men. They are given 15 women. 3 women by 15. And next 20 by given, they are giving for asking for 6 by 20. This is the way we can calculate. And look at here, the 60 into 60 by 60 into 60. Look at LCM, I'm taking a 60 here. 10 to 60, 6 times 6 2s are 12. So 15 4s are 4 3s are 12. So 23s are 3 18. Look at here, 12 plus 18 30, 30 plus 8 12, it is a 42. 4 6 7 ja 6 10 ja 600 by 7, and here is 440 by 3. Which is bigger? Okay, so 3 will be multiplying here. 3 6 are 18, 7 4 are 28. 2800 is bigger than the approximately 1800. That means quantity 1 is bigger, quantity 1 is greater than the quantity 2. Option here A, first one. Next one. So a bag contains 3 red, 4 green, 5 blue balls. 2 balls are drawn random. So first quantity 1, 2 balls are drawn. 2 balls are drawn means overall. So 12 balls are there. From 12 balls, 2 balls are drawn. That should be none of the balls are drawn blue. That means remaining balls are drawn. That means 7C2. And quantity 2. So only we are picking a 1 ball. Out of 12 balls, 1 ball is picking. The 1 ball is what? Neither red nor green. That means we are focusing a blue ball. 5C1. 5C1 value is 5. 12C1 value is 12. 5 by 12. 7C2 value we can write 7 into 6 by 12 into 11. That means this is a greater than the quantity 2. Quantity 1 is greater than the quantity 2. Option is what? A here. Next quantity. 5 boys and 4 girls are sitting in a straight line facing west. 5 boys and 4 girls. So sitting in a straight line facing west. First quantity 1. Look at number of ways in which all the 9% can sit, that no two girls are sitting adjacent to each other. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 places are there. So number of ways in which all the 9% can sit such that no two girls are sitting. No two girls are sitting means first of all we have to arrange the boys. So here the boy, here the boy, and here the boy, here the boy, here the boy. So 5 boys are arranged. 5 boys are arranged means it is becoming 5 factorial. Then 4 girls will be arranged. 4 girls will be arranged. The 2 girls are not adjacent to each other means the compulsory it is replaced by boys. Then for 1, 2, 3, 4. Either you can take one place before also. Then boy I am taking a first person. Girls also you can take first person. That means girls purpose how many chances are there? 5 chances are there. If you consider the place, one side the person, either right side either left side, how many places are there? 5 places. Out of 5 places, how many girls you have to arranging? 4 girls. And that to the 4 girls also shuffled their self. That is a 4 factorial. 5C4 is equal to 5. 5 into 4 factorial means 5 factorial. 5 factorial into 5 factorial, it is become a 5 factorial square. This is a quantity 1. Coming to the quantity 2. Quantity 2, number of ways in which all the 9% can sit there. No two boys are sitting adjacent to each other. So no two boys are sitting adjacent to each other. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here boys we can arrange. Boys we can arrange. First of all, girls I can arrange. Here the girls. Here the girl. Here the girl. Here the girl. Here the girl. So if you are arranging this, now you can arrange the boys now. So look at one boy, second boy, third boy, fourth boy, fifth boy. That means the two boys all will be adjacent to each other. What is the question? None of number of ways in which all the 9% can sit. That no two boys are sitting adjacent to each other. No two boys are sitting in adjacent to each other. So here girl, here girl, here girl, here girl. Then how many places are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 5. That means girls can be compulsory sit in a middle places. That should be 4 factorial. Remaining is 5 boys will be starting with compulsory here. There is no other chance. So here the 5C5, that is 5 factorial. 4 factorial into 5 factorial. 4 factorial into 5 factorial is smaller than the 5 factorial into 5 factorial. That means here is also quantity 1 is bigger. Quantity 1 is bigger than the quantity 2. Next, distance a man cover distance in 27 hours. So he covered the first half of 20 kilometer per hour and second half of 23 kilometer per hour. So this is the average speed you can calculate. The average speed formula is 2xy by x plus y. You can write 2 into 20 into 23 by 43. Average speed into time apply na, you will get total distance. The time is how many? 27. This is belongs to quantity 1. And coming to the quantity 2, here the distance a man cover 3 equal distances 25 hours. 25 hours here. So 3 equal distance formula 3xyz, 3 into 15 into 20 into 35 by adding the two values. 15 plus 20, it is 15 into 25. Here the 15 into 25 plus 25 into 30, 15 into 20 only, 15 into 20 plus 20 into 35 plus 15 into 35, and this is the average speed and extra multiplied with time. So we are multiplying, just you have to check the calculation wise, compulsory you will get a result here. Then x greater than y, that means the first quantity is greater than the quantity 2. Then as per the calculation we'll get a conclusion that quantity 1 is greater than the quantity 2. Next, a sum of money at simple interest amounts to 234 in 3 years, then 254 in 4 years. So 234 in 3 years, and here the 1 year extra. In 1 year, how much rupees you are getting extra? 1 year you will get 20 rupees. 3 years 60 rupees. The 60 rupees is removing from the 234. You will get 174. That means in a first case, principal is how much rupees? 174 rupees is the principal as a simple interest. Coming to the second case, the quantity 2, the simple interest 20.48, 4 percentage for 2 years, it is equal to 8 percentage. 8 percentage is equal to 20.48. We need how much percentage? 100 percentage. 100 percentage value. What is the sum? So calculate the values here. So 8 how many times? 8 to the 16. Remaining value is 44. 8 5 and 8 6 are 256. Here is also multiply with 256. 256. How much rupees? 256 rupees. 256 rupees bigger than the 174. Then quantity 2 is bigger than the quantity 1. Option is what? B here.